it would be cool to walk you through a few of my most worn favorite pieces in my closet. These are things that I turn back to over and over again that I think are great things for everyone to have in their closet, and that I just wanted to share with you. So let's do it. So let's just start from over here, and first up are these trousers. I am obsessed with trousers. I think they are just a really fun, different way to bring something different to your outfit. Just a pattern pant in general, I guess. And these fit me so well. They're from Princess Polly. I just think that they are incredibly flattering. I love that there are tons of different ways that you can style them. They were fairly affordable, and I just turn to them over and over again. They're great for casual or for a more business setting. So very versatile, which is really what I look for when I am picking out pieces for my wardrobe. Next up, we have to talk about this jacket because I have had it forever. It is this gorgeous sweater big jacket thing. I bought this, I believe this is my third winter with this jacket now, maybe my fourth. I'm pretty sure my third though. I got it on Melrose from one of the boutiques there, but I will do my best to try to find some dupes for it. What I love about this is it is extremely warm. I even bring this back and wear it during East Coast winters. It's not quite warm enough for that, but it gets the job done, especially with a sweater under it. It also just feels like you're wearing a giant blanket, and even though it is super oversized, I think it still is stylish, and it's probably seen better days. It's looking a little like dirty, but like I said, after 3 years of wearing this every single winter, there's gonna be some wear and tear. But it just goes to show how wonderful this jacket is, how versatile, because it's made it through tons and tons of closet cleanouts. Okay, next up is this turtleneck. You guys have probably seen me in this a million times because I love it. This is from Show Me Your Mumu, and first of all, the color is just to die for. I think it is really complimentary with my fair skin. It's also great for LA winters because it is a little bit sheer. Not to the point where you can't just like wear whatever underneath it, but it's not too heavy. It's so comfortable. Again, there are tons of ways to style it, and I just find myself coming back to this sweater over and over again when sweater weather rolls around. It's soft, it's lovely, I'm a big fan. Alrighty, next up, something else you've probably seen me in about a million times, and that is this gorgeous blazer. Man, I don't even remember where I got this from, which is super annoying because I would love to grab more. Either way, I wear this all the time, anytime I'm reaching for a jacket. This is like 50% of what I pick. I love the fit of it. I love how it just dresses up any outfit. Blazers always are a great pick for the fall time. And something like this is super versatile since it's just black and white. I've worn this with a million different outfits, a million different ways. You can style it up, style it down, professional, casual. It's just a really easy transition piece, and I love it. I think investing in a nice blazer like this is a great move, great for layering, and just wonderful to own for the fall. Of course, I had to share a pair of jeans, and these are by far my most worn pair. These are from Zara, and I just adore Zara jeans. I think that they are just such a bang for your buck. They are comfortable, they're stretchy, which is really wonderful. It just gives them a little bit of room, whether you're eating, you're running around, I can like bend over or, you know, jump around or whatever I need to do in these. I like these ones in particular because they don't have any built-in distressing or anything. Just makes them really easy to wear to somewhere slightly nicer or dress down. The color is such a classic blue jean color, which I think is just really lovely, and I just am always reaching for these jeans. Anytime that I'm wearing jeans, these are what I'm putting on. So another basic that I just feel like everyone needs is just a plain white t-shirt. It is the simplest thing and the hardest thing to find. I like this one quite a bit. I like that it's slightly thicker. I like that it's a little bit cropped, but long enough that still covers my belly button, so if I'm wearing mid-rise jeans, it works perfectly. High-rise, even better. It's comfortable, it's classic. You just really can't go wrong. I feel like it's a pretty obvious choice that everyone needs a white t-shirt that they love in their closet. And this one is definitely mine. It has seen sort of some better days. I'm starting to get a little bit of discoloration, but I definitely plan on repurchasing the same one because I love it so much. Definitely one of those things that I'm always reaching for in my closet because it's just so easy. It's a classic look. Everyone still thinks you look really stylish, even though you're literally wearing jeans and a white t-shirt. Speaking Speaking of basics, another thing that I am constantly reaching for is this black bodysuit. So this one is from Show Me Your Mumu, and I am just obsessed with this. It's so thick, it's wonderful. You don't have to wear a bra with it at all, if that's something that you're comfortable with. I like the little bit of texture that it has on it. I think that just adds something really nice. Again, it's just a classic look. Throwing this on with a pair of jeans, a skirt, anything, really easy. I guess my one qualm with this is that it doesn't have any of the buttons on the bottom, so that's sort of a pain, but it still hasn't stopped me ever from grabbing this and making it work when I have to go to the bathroom. It has adjustable straps, which I always really appreciate because straps are always way too long on me. Fits me like a glove. It's just absolutely one of my favorites. And then last up for our clothing is t-shirt dresses. I had to grab 3 of them just because I love them so much. It's so hard to choose. So this is a t-shirt dress that sort of started it all for me. It was my favorite. Got this from Melrose Trading Post, so I really like that it's sort of one of a kind. It has a really cool tie-dye print on it, which is something that you'll probably see a pattern of in my t-shirt dresses. These are just the ultimate thing to wear when it's warmer out because it feels like you're wearing a giant t-shirt, because you are. They're cute, they're trendy, and they're so easy. Literally putting this on makes you look like you put on a cute outfit and all you did was put on an oversized t-shirt. Could it get easier than that? These other 2 that I have here are from the same brand. They're both from the Laundry Room, which is one of my absolute favorite brands. So I got 2 different tie-dye ones from them here. Both of these are from their bootleg collection. And again, I just buy the t-shirts large. I got these both in mediums. That way they would fit like dresses. And they are just incredibly comfortable, incredibly cute. I always feel really stylish when I'm wearing a t-shirt dress like this. So any t-shirt dress in my closet gets a lot of wear. Okay, let's run through my 2 favorite bags in my closet right now. So that is these 2 here. Hello. So first up, I have this bag. It is from Princess Polly, but the brand is Naked Vice. I am crazy obsessed with this. It holds so much stuff because it has this double pocket here. And anytime I wear it, I get a compliment, I'm pretty sure, because of this amazing strap on it. It also just hits in a nice place. Not too long, not too short. I know like shorter bags are sort of in right now, so I just feel like it hits in a perfect medium place. This is just absolutely one of my go-tos because it can fit a lot of things or just a few things. It's really versatile, really cute, looks super nice and expensive even though it wasn't. And then same with this other bag. So this is from Friday by JWP, and this bag has gotten so much wear and tear in the short time that I've had it. It's just my go-to now. First of all, I think it's just really different. It's super cute. I think it's great for the fall time with the colors, but could also transition really easily into summer because of the fabric. Again, it's got that thick strap, a little bit shorter. Again, it holds a ridiculous amount of things inside because it's got 2 big pockets. I like can shove tons of stuff in here without having any issue. Nice closure here, so it's really secure. No one can get into it. I always get compliments when I wear this bag as well. And I think something that I really love about both of these bags, it's that neither go for the price that a designer bag would cost, but I get way more compliments on these than when I wear my one and only designer bag that I own. I just think it goes to show that you can do something a little bit different, own something a little bit different, and actually have it look more stylish because it's less on the nose. I love designer bags as much as the next girl. I think that they're really a beautiful investment to make, which is why I bought the one that I have. But I don't think you need to spend that kind of money to look stylish, have a cute bag, or even get compliments on your bag. If anything, you'll probably get more compliments if you have something a little different than what everyone else is carrying. And the last things I want to go over is just some footwear. So first up, I have to talk about these sandals that I lived in all summer long and plan on continuing to live in. These are the Sam Edelman sandals. I feel like so many people had these this year because they go for such a good price for the quality. They are incredibly comfortable. I have really sensitive feet. Pretty much anytime I'm wearing new shoes, I get a blister or something like that. I have never had this issue with these. I love them in brown. I think that they're really cute and versatile since they're in a nice neutral color. And I just think that these are gonna get a massive amount of wear over the next 3 or 4 summers, as long as I can make them last. And the last pair of shoes I wanna show you are not very glamorous, but they are the most worn pair of shoes in my closet, and that is these white sneakers. Obviously, they've seen better days. I need to invest in a new pair. I mean, it's like peeling here. They're so stupid dirty. I mean, It's pretty gross. But I wear these almost every single day with every single outfit that I wear. They are so incredibly comfortable. They're versatile. I think the point of me showing these is less about these, because obviously they're in pretty rough shape, and more just about white sneakers in general, because I think that they are a great thing to have in your closet. Duh, who doesn't have a pair of white sneakers? But they go with everything. They are just so easy to style, and I love these ones. I'm gonna be very sad to give them up. So there you have it. Those are all of the most worn pieces in my closet. I will try to link as many as I can down below, dupes for them if I can't find them. And that's it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on push notifications, and I'll see you in my next one.